Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Miss Vonita here. So I am trying out this whole using my phone on the dash to record, so hopefully the clarity is decent. I am just getting off work. I am on my way home and I have to stop and just grab some gas, but as y'all can see, you know, with this sun being hot like it is, I don't know if anybody else, you know, worry about trying to keep their vehicles, you know, intact as long as possible. I am not one to be rolling over vehicles multiple times anymore. I'm over that stage. The vehicle I'm in right now, I'm trying to keep for at least 10-15 years if possible, because I hate having a car no payment. So my dashboard, I want to try to keep it from being, you know, dried out, cracky, all that good stuff. So putting the sun visor in the window is like a really good thing to do. And some people probably just feel like, oh, I don't have time for that. But if you are one that wants to keep your vehicle, you know, looking nice and not, you know, the dashboard being all cracked up and turning different colors and all that other good stuff, that is a very good thing to have, is your dash sun visor. So Halo Blk was kind enough to send me over a umbrella sun visor for my vehicle. So I am going to go ahead and clean my car, make it nice and pretty, and I am going to install this lovely little shade. It is specifically for Tesla Model 3s, I believe, but it fits perfectly in my Hyundai Tucson. So let's check it out. All right.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find why I give you all you need, I know what it like. I feel it coming. Time is of the essence. I try to give you, and I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I tried to live, but I can't. I don't know.
This right here is not part of cleaning out her car. This heifer done laid down.
Talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you go by. Yeah, if you leave I go. Loving your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want need me. I just wanna let you know. Oh, every day. Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body, baby. Ask me for me, no one loves you again. No one wants you the same way. After the morning, my won't be done when you're loving. I just wanna get you beside me. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all you. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all. Make I give you all you need. Every touch you need. Give you all. Make I give you all you need. Baby, yeah. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. Yeah. You don't need no other body. Girl, I want you there. Girl, I want you there. I need to treat you like that. I need that I want the day. Baby, love, I love you, babe.
Say it, I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it, I wanna all night. Hello, stranger, babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, babe, saying, baby, love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Taking that off me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the cup green. Talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? just like you will. Come through and chill, just like you will.
Shit, that's a good song.
Come through and chill.
Coach, can I tell us some real shit? Yeah. In case my lack of reply had you catching them feelings. Know you been on my mind like Kaepernick kneelings, or police killings, or Trump saying slick shit, manipulating poor white folks because they ignorant, blind to the struggles of the ones that got the pigment. Lately I've been stressing cause it seems so malignant. I need to feel your essence in my presence if you with it. I guarantee you won't regret you did it.